Oh, I'm on this side, aren't I?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Should we just switch places this year?
I don't know. I want to protect
I'll just
you from
stand
the
back
door.
here.
What's up? It's Kat and Deb. Welcome to our lovely cafe.
Now, videos for you never stopped. They stopped for us. This is our first video back after about almost 2 months of not filming.
We checked out.
So this one might be a little rough.
Rougher than the last one.
Yeah. Really. So we thought, what better video to come back with than our Valentine's Day bakery.
Yes, because
Love Day.
baking is our love language.
Yeah.
So we thought we need a bakery to celebrate Love Day.
And capitalism.
Every day is Love Day when you have a bakery.
When you have food.
Yeah. So we're gonna bake our love
Into these baked things.
edible love.
But I don't think we've ever done a Valentine's Day
We haven't.
bakery, so this one's fun.
Very fun.
Very fun. We're gonna make like a lemon like sugar cookie in the heart, and then we're gonna put like some raspberry icing on it, maybe.
Do you have sprinkles?
I do.
Okay.
Maybe some sprinkles. And then we're also gonna make brownie cookies. It's just like a double chocolate cookie. It feels very Valentine's.
Do you have sprinkles? No.
I do. We're also gonna make some, now this one should be fun, but a chocolate dipped strawberry hand pie. So like chocolate strawberries,
Oh,
but just in pie form.
the best.
And then we're also gonna make, chocolate dipped macaroons.
Also
Coconut macaroons. Also, I don't think like traditionally a Valentine's thing, but I don't know, chocolate dipped macaroons felt nice for Valentine's Day. Like a nice little small treat to send to a friend or something.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. Oh, you know how you get like mini boxes of chocolate?
Yes.
I don't love those. I would rather mini boxes of little
Cookies.
coconut macaroons.
Anything other than chocolates?
Yeah, I just don't want an entire chocolate with like strawberry cream inside or something. It's just too much.
That seems like a bad time.
So this is my take on little boxes of chocolates. It's just coconut macaroons dipped in chocolate,
Okay.
which is what I would rather have.
Okay.
So we're gonna get started. We've already made the pie dough for the hand pies, but it's chillin'.
Magic.
The lemon cookie I actually haven't ever made, but I have a rough recipe.
Okay.
The chocolate cookies I've made before.
Okay.
And then the hand pies, I didn't actually write a recipe because we're just using our pie dough and strawberry jam and melted chocolate.
Easy peasy.
It's not really a recipe.
Okay. Okay.
And then coconut macaroons is a recipe that I grew up with. I have to find the cookbook that it's in, but I also think we have a version of it on our blog, so we're just gonna use that too. Remember those coconut macaroon cookies we made with that chocolate sponsor?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna do a version of like that, but do it a little differently.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have fun with that. Let me know when it's done.
Devin's gonna hang out.
I don't really feel any of these. What do you want me to make?
Which one would you rather make? The chocolate, like the double chocolate, the brownie cookies. I have an actual recipe for that, and it's really easy to make.
Okay.
It's like a one bowl type thing.
Sounds Devo proof.
And then, I mean, the hand pies are also, the pie dough's been made. It just needs to sit a little bit. And those just need to be filled with strawberry jam.
Yeah.
And any shape you want. We haven't decided on shapes. And then there's the lemon. I'll do the lemon cookies because I've never tried this recipe before.
Yeah.
You want to do the chocolate cookies?
Okay, yeah.
And you'll either do the macaroons or the pie, whichever one you prefer.
I think you should do the macarons.
Okay. So Devin's gonna do the double chocolate cookies and the pie.
Yes.
And then I will do the lemon cookies and the coconut macaroons.
It's been decided. It's
Yeah.
not a race.
It isn't. Why would it be a race?
I don't know, because I almost said that just out of habit.
And go!
What am I doing?
What am I doing?
Excuse me, I need to whip this.
You having fun?
I'm really, Catherine taught me a new technique for this butter and sugar. Okay, I'm actually done with that step though. I was gonna chop the chocolate now.
Thank goodness it's not a race, because she really got distracted by the butter.
Okay.
Oh, the smell of lemon.
Oh, lemon.
Lemon!
It's so refreshing.
Yeah. Honestly, I missed this. Oh god, this was too small of a bowl.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! What was that?
Is
there anything in this?
shared
Can I borrow
space?
this? Yeah, no. This is a shared space. I'm so sorry. Oh god. Oh dear god.
Are you okay?
No.
Do you know why this is happening? Because you called me slow. This is the universe slowing you down.
Sam, how's it going?
I'm folding in the chocolate. I think it's done. I'm done.
I think that looks great. And then
Done.
you can add some extra chunks on top if you want. But yeah, no, I think that looks great.
Are you done?
Almost. I gotta roll this out. And cut out
Hurry
the
up! Sorry.
Wow!
I'm just.
You're being too slow!
I'm just kidding. It's a nice dough, I hope.
I hope.
I don't know. I was like, don't be so confident.
Honestly, I think it looks pretty good.
Why would you do that?
I think it looks pretty good.
Thank you. That's very nice. Couldn't have done it without you. Because you had the instructions in your head. Should I stop at 6? Do you spread a lot?
Yeah, do 6.
Okay. You said stop. I stop. So I can just put these right in, can't I?
Go for it.
Wahoo!
Unless you wanted to add more chocolate on top. I don't know if you did that.
Oh, I didn't do that.
Up to you.
Didn't do that.
You don't have to.
I didn't do that. Look what we made. Super chocolatey. Oh, wow. These are super lemony, but you can't really tell. It's all in the flavor. Behind.
Look how fun that is.
Whoa.
Look at it.
It is such a weird color.
Yeah, it's a super weird color. PC, what are you doing?
We're using the President's Choice.
Sweetened condensed coconut milk.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yeah?
Cocoa for coconut.
Are you?
I love coconut.
You do, huh?
Yeah. I know you don't. It's
Yeah.
okay. I forgive you.
Love is a strong word. Ah ha ha. Oh, my cookies are baking, right?
Oh shit. Oh, 4 minutes
I don't
left.
think the timer went. I think we
Yeah.
would have noticed.
Yeah, it sings dust. Into the oven!
Oh, it's a party in there.
Oh my god, these look so good. Yeah.
Wow, you were really fast with that. Did I choose the wrong recipe?
It's like 4 ingredients.
Okay, well mine is 2. Because you made this dough. I didn't even have to make
forgot. I forgot I made the dough. I can help.
I didn't even do anything.
Strawberry jam! I feel like I might be putting too much jam in this.
Why are you sabotaging?
I don't know, do you think it's too much?
I don't know. No.
I think pistachios are a Valentine nut.
Why do you think that?
I don't know. They just seem so nice. They seem luxurious, you know?
Luxury.
Because like
so
who
tasty.
has pistachios all the time? Like I wish I did. They're just expensive.
Yeah.
Drizzle with chocolate. Oh my god.
Whoa. Do we need to go in with toppings like right immediately?
We'll do 3 at a time.
Immediately.
So you can follow with the toppings. They're stuck.
Oh my god, why did I put them all on my
We
hands?
can do rows of different toppings.
Okay. I don't know if these are gonna stick.
We'll see.
Where's your tweezers? Ah! Ah! My heart! Ah! I don't know if they're gonna stay,
I mean, that's okay. They can be a little messy.
but they're pretty cute.
Pistachios.
I put so many in my hand. And nothing says love like some breakfast cereal. Am I right?
All right, next one.
But these aren't Fruit Loops. Boo. Oh, I love the variety show.
Right? It's a box of chocolates.
Ow!
Except a box of macaroons. We want these too. These sprinkles.
Let's do it.
And we need one other topping.
naked.
Oh, just chocolate.
Just chocolate.
Yeah,
naked.
that's so smart. Naked.
I put so many in my hand again.
I guess I can do these ones too while I'm here.
Sprinkles! Okay, seriously?
They're really cute. I love them.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow! I'm gonna pop them in the fridge for like a sec, just to...
Okay.
Ready to decorate some cookies?
It's show time.
Let's see.
We're just putting sprinkles on them?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I see what you're doing there. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Should I go right to the edge?
Mostly.
Mostly to the edge, okay. Like that? It's pretty funny looking, but it works.
That's okay. We'll just cover up with sprinkles and it's even better.
Perfect. It's so cute.
Why are the hearts just like jabbing in? I want you to lay flat. I want to see you. Wow. I would go to this bakery. I friggin' love them. They do look like the grocery store cookies. I think the lemon is a nice twist.
So are the other ones just like sugar cookies?
I think so.
Yeah, I think I need some lemon to cut through all the sweetness, you know?
I love the aesthetic of sweet stuff, but I don't like to eat it that much.
Right?
I feel like a really big
like
conflict.
cakes are beautiful,
Yeah.
iced cookies
Candy,
beautiful,
so
candy,
fun.
but they suck to eat. Like they're good, but I can eat like half of one
Yeah.
before I feel like horrible. Okay, the mix is so cute.
Should we have done the mix the whole way?
I mean, we still can.
We still could. I don't know.
What do you think?
Stop. What do you think?
They're so cute.
Oh, it's so fun.
I don't know. What do you think? Should we do the mix the whole way?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, now we're gonna set up.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, we gotta dip the...
Oh my god, we're not done.
I mean, we don't have to dip them.
We could
It was
drizzle?
just an idea. Yeah, we could drizzle.
Hello.
Welcome.
We're open for business. We're in the business of love.
Love and chocolate.
And sprinkles.
And sprinkles.
Mostly sprinkles.
Yeah. So it's our Valentine's Day pop-up.
Come on by.
Made brownie cookies,
Lemon love.
lemon raspberry cookies,
Lemon lovelies.
chocolate covered strawberry hand pies,
For your hands.
and different coconut macaroons, like chocolate covered coconut macaroons.
With a variety of toppings.
Yeah, like a box of chocolates.
Life
Should we try?
is like a box of chocolates.
Yeah. Do
What
we
if
have to feed
it
each
all
other the
tastes
things?
bad? I want to accidentally eat this.
Do we have to feed each other?
No!
We do this around the arm.
I don't know if that'll work.
Okay.
We're gonna spill on each other.
What do you want to try first? Do you want to split a cookie?
Which?
This one.
Yeah.
Pick one.
This?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, it's pretty
my
perfect.
goodness.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Wow.
No cookie. Like it tastes like a brownie.
It really does.
With like more crispy edges.
But that's what you want.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I think we need to go to this, break up the chocolate a little bit.
Okay.
Well, there was a lot of chocolate.
yeah.
You want to split one of these two?
Yeah. We're gonna get sprinkles
It's like a
everywhere.
wishbone.
Yeah. Nice.
Wow. No sprinkles dropped.
That's amazing. That's
It
pretty
reminds me
perfect.
of something. Not too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm shocked.
Like you made the icing perfectly balanced and the lemon is just
That's good.
that's good.
That's nice.
We didn't tell you how to make it, so I'm sorry.
I have to finesse it a little bit anyway. I want the cookie to hold its shape a little bit better.
What do you mean? It looks like a heart!
But it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I guess we can each pick one.
Mm-hmm. Interesting choice. I'm really curious about the cornflakes.
Oh, you went for the middle one. Alright. Oh my god.
I mean,
This is one of my favorite treats.
I get it. I get it.
I get it.
I like it more than I thought I would.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Which one do you think has jam in it?
None of them.
This one looks so flaky.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's one of the ones that probably doesn't have a lot of jam in it. I'm excited. Our pie dough is one of my favorite things.
I can tell that you had some leakage.
Or other pie leakage.
Oh, okay, yeah.
All right. That pie dough looks so flaky, Debbie. Wow.
You made it.
I was going to say you did a good job, but I forgot I made it.
Oh, it's really good.
I don't think I've gotten any strawberry yet, to be honest, though.
It's like really thin.
Yeah.
I'm getting the flakes everywhere.
This is so flaky. Holy. We need more savory.
What have we done?
You know what? I think we might start doing more food trucks.
We love baked goods, but not eating them.
They're so hard to eat. But like this thing, I love eating them. But I just can't physically.
Okay, which one was your favorite?
Oh my god, it's a really hard decision.
That's how you know we did well.
I think I'm just a cookie person, and I really like these, the double chocolate cookies. But like coconut macaroons are like childhood. But honestly, I like them better without chocolate, I will say.
Okay.
So I don't think they can be my favorite if I like them better another way.
Yes, okay.
In between these two, because this one was so pleasantly light, I was so shocked. And I don't know if it's because we had it after a double chocolate cookie.
No, I think it was, because even when we tasted one of the cookies earlier.
Yeah, I think it's still the double chocolate cookie just because I'm that type of cookie person. But this I was so surprised by.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. It's
You
mine.
can have them all.
Oh my gosh. But honestly, love them all.
Yeah.
Love is a strong word. I just said it about them.
I think a couple of them need some finessing. I think a couple of them need some finessing, but they're all delicious.
Let us know in the comments which one you would buy if you came to our pop-up.
And we'll see you in the next pop-up. Hopefully it's a food
Probably
truck.
it'll be maybe a food truck.
We need savory.
We've had so many good ideas from ourselves and from you. So, yeah.
What's the next food truck we have to do?
Well, we don't have to do anything.
Or we have to do it.
I don't know.
Should we just do like a general spring food truck? So like asparagus and what else happens in the spring?
I think we should just
strawberries.
Make it based on whatever theme we want to do. Not like, why do we have to make it like with the season?
Okay, what's the theme?
Tacos.
Oh. I don't know why, but I thought theme would be different. Not like type of food. I thought theme would be like literally the only thing I can think of, and this is so embarrassing, is Rugrats.
You thought we were gonna do a Rugrats food truck?
No, I didn't think we were gonna do, but that's what I was thinking when I thought theme.
What's a theme?
Like to me,
Talking babies.
theme is like dinosaur or